The color run! The color run! Yeah! Look at that! Let's go! Easy run lang guys. Family fun run. Let's go! Ayan, malapit din sa finish line. Grabe, daming kulay ng hair natin, oh. Color run! Color run! Go, ma'am! Go! Ah! Tabs! Harap ka dito. Wow! Yeah! Sobrang saya! Look at that! Grabe blurred na. The color run! Oh, how's the color run? How's the color run? Dami po color ah. Dami po color na ba? Oh, color oh. Wow. Go ma'am! Finish, finish! Finish! It's time to redeem our medals! Grabe, parang 46 minutes, ganun kabagal yung takbo. Usual natin 25. Pero dahil sobrang daming tao, tapos naglalakad ng karamihan. So, nahirapan tayong sumingit kanina. And then, yun, walk-walk na lang. Thank you, thank you! Let's claim our medals! Tingnan mo naman yung kulay ni Mem, oh. Grabe, yung kulay din ito, oh. Ano suot yan, no? Finish your medal! Wow, suot din yung medal niya! Oh! Wow! Wow! And then we got free sandwich, free bottled water. This is really fun, right? Right. Merong videoke, merong human claws. Ano ka dito?